Friends, we discuss ellipse SAQ. Here given question, find the equation of the tangent to the ellipse equation. Here given 2x square plus y square equal to 8, which are parallel to given equation x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and perpendicular to given equation x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, let's start the solution. First write the given equation of the ellipse. Given equation of the ellipse is 2x square plus y square is equal to 8. Now divide by 8 on both sides. Then we get equation in standard form, that is 2x square by 8 plus y square by 8 is equal to, in right side 8 by 8 is 1. Here 2 1s are 2 4s are, is implies x square by 4 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1. Okay, now is in the form, in standard form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 8. Okay, now first question. Given first question, parallel to given equation x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Okay, now slope, write the slope of given equation. Slope m equals formula minus a by b, so is equal to minus 1 by b value minus 2 is minus 2, minus cancel, is equal to 1 by 2. So now slope of the tangent, m, which is parallel to given equation x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, okay, is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now write formula. Equation of the tangent of given ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1 and parallel to given equation x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 is given by is a y equals mx plus or minus under root of a square m square plus b square. Y equal to mx plus or minus under root a square m square plus b square. Now here substitute a square value is equal to 4, b square value 8 and m value slope 1 by 2. Then we get required tangent, which is parallel to given line, is m equal to 1 by 2 into x plus or minus under root a square is 4 into 1 by 2 whole square. Then we get 1 by 4 plus b square value is 8. Here 4 cancel. Then is y equal to x by 2 plus or minus root 1 plus 8 is 9, is implies y equal to x by 2 plus or minus root 9 is 3. Next step, take LCM is 2y is equal to x plus or minus 2 into 3 is 6. Then x minus 2y plus or minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent of the ellipse, which is parallel to given line x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, is the first question. Now second one, Roman number 2. Roman number 2 is perpendicular to given line x minus x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Since given equation of the tangent x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, write slope m equals minus a by b is equal to minus 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1, so m equal to minus 1. Next, now slope of the tangent which is perpendicular to given line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is m equal to 1. Okay, now write equation of the tangent y equal to mx plus or minus under root of same formula is a square m square plus b square. Here slope is different but formula same formula, y equal to mx plus or minus root a square m square plus b square. Here a square value we know that is equal to 4 and b square value 8 and m value 1. These three values substitute in above formula, then we get required equation of the tangent which is perpendicular to given equation x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So m1 into x plus or minus under root of a square is 4 into 1 square is 1 plus 8 is equal to y equal to x plus or minus root 12, then implies x minus y plus or minus root 12 is 2 root 3 is equal to 0 is required equation of the tangent in ellipse SAQ. Here given question, if your tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a greater than b, meets its major axis and minor axis at m and n respectively, then prove that a square by cm square plus b square by cn square equal to 1, where c is center of the ellipse. Okay, here given is the c is the center of the ellipse. Okay, here equation of the tangent meets the major axis at m and minor axis at n. Okay, now start the solution. Given equation of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. P of theta is equal to a cos theta comma b sin theta. B point on the ellipse is the parametric point of the ellipse parametric form. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. Okay, therefore the equation of the tangent at parametric point p of theta is x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b is equal to 1. Now this tangent equation transform to intercept form, then we get intercept form of the tangent equation, that is x by a by cos theta plus y by b by sin theta, x by cos a by cos theta, y by plus y by b by sin theta is equal to 1 is intercept form of the line like this. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now above equation meets the major axis at x-axis and minor axis, that is y-axis, at m and n respectively. Okay, like this is m here, n. Cm equals a by cos theta, comma Cn is equals b by sin theta. Okay, this value is equal to Cm is b by sin theta is Cn. Next, now write cos theta equals a by Cm, comma sin theta equals b by Cn. Now squaring on both sides, then we get cos square theta equal to a square by Cm square, comma sin square theta is equals b square by Cn square. Now using above identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Substitute above values, both values is a square by Cm square plus b square by Cn square is equal to 1. Okay, is a square by Cm square plus b square by Cn square is equal to 1, where C is center of the ellipse. Center of the ellipse is the center of the ellipse. Is SAQ. Here given question, if the normal at the end of lattice rectum of the ellipse equation, here given x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, passing through one end of minor axis, then show that e power 4 plus e square is equal to 1. Okay, now start the solution. First, the equation of normal to the ellipse at point P x1 comma y1 is, we know that is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. Formula. Now write normal equation of the given ellipse. Okay, the equation of normal at point one end of the lattice rectum, we suppose that AE comma b square by a is one end of lattice rectum, here L. Okay, here L is AE comma b square by a. Now substitute x1 y1 in above formula. Here is a square x by x1 value is AE, right here AE, minus b square y by y1 value is b square by a, right here b square by a is equal to a square minus b square here a square cancel, b square cancel, then we get equation is ax by e minus y by 1 by a is equal to a into y is equal to a square minus b square. Suppose that is equation number 1. Okay, is equation number 1 in figure. Is equation number 1 is also passing through here b 0 comma minus b is one end of minor axis. Okay, clear. This equation number 1 is also passing through one end of minor axis at b dash 0 comma minus b is 0 comma minus b here. Okay, then equation number 1 is implies substitute x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to minus b in equation number 1. Now equation number 1 gives a by e into x value 0 minus a into y value is minus b is equal to right side term same as a square minus b square. Then we get 0 minus into minus plus ab is equal to a square minus b square. ab equal to a square minus b square. We know that a square b square equal to formula a square e square. Substitute here is ab is equal to a square e square and both sides a cancel. Then we get is b equal to a into e square. Now squaring on both sides, then we get is b square is equal to a square e power 4. Now again b square value here b square equal to a square of 1 minus e square. Substitute here a square of 1 minus e square is equal to a square e power 4 on both sides a square cancel, then implies 1 minus e square equal to e power 4, then implies e power 4 plus e square is equal to 1 is the required proof. Hence proved. Today discuss ellipse SAQS. Here given question, find the length of major axis, minor axis, lattice rectum, eccentricity, coordinates of center and focus, equation of the directrix. Okay, now here given equation of the ellipse, is x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 equal to 0. Okay, first write x terms. First x square, remaining x term minus 4x. Next 2y square plus 12y is equal to minus 14. Take 14 in right side, so plus 14 is minus 14. Now x square minus 4x is 2 into x into 2 plus here add plus 4 minus 4. Okay, 2 square minus 2 square plus 2 take common 2, then we get y square plus 6y is equal to minus 14. Next is implies from these three terms is in the form x minus 2 whole square. Write x minus 2 whole square. Next plus 2 of y square plus 2 into y into 3 is 6y. 6y equal to 2 into y into 3. Okay, in place of b here 3. So here add plus 9 minus 9 is equals minus 14 is implies minus 14 plus 4. Okay, here 4 minus 4, take right side, then we get plus 4. Next step, x minus 2 whole square plus 2 of from these three terms is in the form y minus 3 whole square is plus 3, y plus 3 whole square 2 into y plus 3 whole square. Now remaining here 2 into minus 9 is minus 18 is equal to minus 10 is implies x minus 2 whole square plus 2 of y plus 3 whole square is equal to minus 10 plus 18 we get 8. Next x minus 2 whole square plus 2 of y plus 3 whole square is equal to 8. Now next step, now divided by 8 on both sides, then we get x minus 2 whole square by 8 plus 2 of y plus 3 whole square by 8 is equal to, in right side 8 by 8 is cancelled, we get 1, here 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now equation of the ellipse, x minus 2 whole square by 8 plus y plus 3 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. Here a square equal to 8 and b square equal to 4, clearly a greater than b. Now equation is in the form, okay, is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square equal to b square is equal to 1, a greater than b. In this case center is h comma k, center. Now center h comma k, here h comma k from above equation is 2 comma minus 3, and second one eccentricity is formula is e equal to root a square plus a square minus b square by a square, it is equal to root a square is 8 minus 4 b square by 8 is equal to under root of 4 by 8, 4 1s are 4 2s are is equal to 1 by root 2 is the eccentricity. And length of major axis is 2a, major axis is 2a, is 2 into a is a equals to root 2 is equal to 4 times 2. Next length of minor axis, it is equal to 2b, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next focus s h plus or minus ae comma k, so is equal to h value is 2 plus or minus a value 2 root 2 into e value eccentricity 1 by root 2 comma k is minus 3 is equal to, here 2 root 2 cancel, then we get 2 plus or minus 2 comma minus 3, then we get 4 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3, one is s, second one is s dash. Next equation of the directories is x equal to h plus or minus a by e, so is x equal to h value is 2 plus or minus a value 2 root 2 by e value 1 by root 2, then we get x equals root 2 into 2 root 2 2 2 2s are 4, 2 plus or minus 4, so x equal to 6 comma x equal to minus 2, both are equation of the directrice. Last one, length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a, so is 2 into b square value is 4, okay, is 4 by a value 2 root 2, here 2 2 cancel, then we get 4 by root 2, then we get 2 root 2 is the length of lattice rectum.